Hi everyone, I come to you with news that may be good or bad, you decide. I will not be making any more videos until April. That is because I have decided to give up a good portion of the internet for Lent. I'm going to explain to you why that is, but if you're not interested in any sort of theological talk, feel free to head out and I'll see you after Easter. My experience of Lent is that a lot of people use it as a sort of practice in discipline, like can I go 40 days without chocolate, without soda, without Facebook, and that's fine, I guess, but to me Lent should be about more than that. I'm very attached to Ignatian theology, and one idea of Ignatius that I have been reflecting on a lot this year in relation to Lent is that of indifference. In everyday vocabulary, indifference has a sort of connotation of not caring, but Ignatius uses it in a slightly different way. Indifference to him is more about a willful detachment. Let me back up. For Ignatius, a person's goal in life is to know, to love, and to serve God, and so attain our salvation, eternal happiness. And that's from his spiritual exercises. Everything in our lives and on this planet we should use to further ourselves toward that goal. Always as a means toward that goal and never as an end in itself. Of course, that rarely happens because we become attached to things. We love things. And our love of those things for themselves instead of for the sake of God distances us from God. So the idea of a willful indifference towards things doesn't mean that I shouldn't love and use the internet and YouTube and Tumblr, but that I should always love and use them for the sake of bringing me closer to God, because they are things that will bring me closer to serving and knowing and loving God. And if they aren't the things that are bringing me closer to God, I should have no problem giving them up and searching for the things that will bring me closer to God. An analogy I read online while researching for this video was that it's like you're being offered either tea or coffee by a host. I might have a preference, I might like tea a little bit better than I like coffee, but I'm going to choose whatever is easiest and best for the host. In the same way, indifference for Ignatius doesn't mean that I shouldn't care about the internet or that I shouldn't have a preference for the internet, but that I should never choose the internet over God. I don't think God is telling me not to use the internet. I try to use Facebook and YouTube and everything else to better my relationships with others, to create things I love and to share that love. But I just want to make sure that I'm not becoming too attached to the thing itself. So I'm giving up YouTube, and I'm also giving up Facebook and Twitter and Tumblr. This is a spiritual practice for myself, and I want to make sure I'm not damaging any of my friendships or relationships because of it. That's certainly not the point. If you're my friend and usually you contact me through those websites, please don't be afraid to IM me on GChat or Skype or text me instead. If you're here at school, show up at my door and say hi, that's fine. I promise I still exist and I still want to be available to anyone who ever wants to talk to me. Lent begins on Wednesday, so I'll still be in the comments of this video until then. Feel free to ask me any questions or have some sort of theological discussion. I don't claim to be an expert on Ignatius, I'm just someone who really likes his theology and has gone through 6 years of Jesuit education. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you after Easter.